What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we are out here in Utah. Man, what a beautiful area. Been exploring a couple of trails, so you guys are gonna see that on the channel pretty soon. But today we're gonna talk about a product that was sent out to me, an air compressor that was sent out to me for the last few months now. So I've been using it quite often. So right now we just finished one on the trail, gonna air it up, and I'll show you the compressor right now. There's the compressor. That's the Gobege air compressor. So this was sent out to me, like I said, a few months ago. So I've been really testing it and loving this. But before we get into using it right now to air up our tires, since we just finished the trail, we'll go into the unboxing and then the comparison between this and then my old compressor is the Viair. So yeah, let's get into that portion of the video right now. Alright guys, so once you get your Gobege air compressor, it's gonna come in a box like this. So let's check out what's inside the box. Oh nice. So it does come with a carrying case. And I think that's it. Nothing else in here besides the carrying case. So, and here's the spec for the Gobege air compressor. As you can see, 150 psi for 12 volts, about 26 feet of air hose, 3 different nozzles, and weigh about 16 pounds. So that's all the information on it. Let's check out on the inside what it contains. A pretty nice and sturdy carrying case. But more important is the inside. Let's check it out. Oh, there's the compressor. Ooh. This thing is actually beefier than I thought. That's what she said. But look at this. Oops. Put that away. Here's one of the standard. And we got our 20 feet air hose right here. Got the gauge and everything right here as well. So it's a really nice and sturdy looking hose. So there's that. Carrying case is nice. There's no other pocket for other accessory, but that's alright. But look at this thing. Yeah, it's really well built. You can tell too. It's really sturdy looking. It's made out of all, I think these are all metals. So definitely strong looking unit compared to the Viair. So I have the other Viair. Let me take it out and check it out. Okay, so here's my old Viair compressor system. Yeah, compared to the Gobege, it's almost like night and days difference between the two. This one's way smaller. This one's definitely bigger and sturdier looking. The piston too, the compressor or the piston here is way bigger compared to the Viair. But yeah, those are the two next to each other. The Gobege and then the Viair. Alright guys, so that's the unboxing of the Gobege air compressor. There's a few manual tools in here that's included inside the box, but the more important thing, the compressor. Man, this thing is going to be nice and sturdy. So the main thing is testing it out, see how fast it inflates tires and whatnot compared to the Viair. So we have a little comparison, but I can tell immediately this thing is really well built. So we're going to start our testing right now. Alright guys, we're going to test out this 30-inch tire. This is the OEM tire of the TRD off-road. It's the Kevlar, Wrangler Kevlar. It's supposed to be all-terrain. And then we'll try also the 33 KO2 all-terrain that I have on there. But I'm going to air this down to about 18, maybe 20 PSI, somewhere like that, and see how long it takes the Gobege to air it up. So let's air this down and see how long the compressor would take to air this particular tire up. And then we'll try with the KO2 as well. think I went a little bit overboard, down to about 15 psi right now. But whatever. That will help us to know how long it takes to air up. As you can see, the hose is plenty lined up. 26 feet is pretty far. That's about another, I would say 10-12 feet from where the last tires, the back tires are at. So plenty of space, and even have a small more space up here, so plenty of space for a long bed. But let's air up and see how long it takes us to air up these 30-inch tires. Okay, so I got up to about 35 psi in about 2 minutes and 34 seconds. So you can see that's probably another 20 or under 20 seconds. It'll go up to about 40. I didn't want to go too high. So yeah, it'll take about 2 minutes, about 30 seconds or so, a little bit more than that, just to go up a little bit higher. So now let's test out the 33-inch tires. Okay, so I got the 33-inch tire, the KO2, down to about 20 psi, which normally is the psi that I'm running when I go off-roading. A little bit less if I'm going to sandy condition or I need to air down a little more, but usually at 20 psi is probably good. Sorry for the car noise, but the car have to be on. So let's test it out from 20. We go up to 40 psi, see how long it takes. All right, let's do it. Okay, as you can see, it's about a little bit under 2 minutes or so. I would say it's about 38 psi at the moment. The gauge is just a little bit off sometime, but yeah, I would say about under 2 minutes. It seems like what it takes per tire. So, all right, let's compare it to the Viair real quick to see what's the difference. I'm curious compared to the Viair. So we'll take this thing out, and then we'll deal with the 30-inch tire and see how long that takes compared to the Viair. So it's about a little bit over 2 minutes for the Viair. The gauge reset, so it's about 40 psi right now. So not too much different compared to with the Gobege, the Viair. Alright guys, so that's end the testing of airing up these tires compared to the Viair and the Gobege for the 30-inch tire as well as the 33-inch KO2 tires. One thing I did notice a difference is this one is a little bit sturdier. This one does move a little bit. If that matters for you, just know that this one moves a little bit compared to the Viair. And then when it comes to size, obviously this one is a little bit bigger when the piston wise. So this one I noticed air up a little bit quicker than the Viair. Not much, but as you can tell by the time, it's not much of a difference. Noise wise, this one's just a tad less noise, but it doesn't really matter when it comes to compressor. It's gonna make noise, so yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, so that's the testing of airing up the Gobege compared to the Viair of these different size tires. So let's go on to the honest review part. All right, we finished airing up using the Gobege air compressor. So what's my honest opinion on this compressor? I really like it. Honestly, I can't find anything bad about it besides just being a little bit noisy. But when you're outside, the engine on, you can, that small little difference in noise is not that much of a difference. So compared to the Viair, it's very similar. However, the size is a little bit more bigger. So that's why I noticed a little bit heavier. But other than that, it does the same job. So the build quality is really, really nice. Yeah, other than that, nothing bad to say about it. So we've been using, I think, the past 2 or 3 months on my wife's RAV4 a few times because it got cold when the air got deflated a little bit, and obviously off-roading with Tacoma. So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting a compressor, I recommend this. It's pretty reasonably priced compared to the Viair. It is, yeah, size, like I said, it's just a tad bigger, but other than that, oh, the other thing I noticed is the piston. The piston is not as hot. So with the Viair, I've noticed that when I air up my 33s or 4, it gets pretty hot. So I have to wait just a little bit to put it away. But this one, not too bad at all. So yeah, I hope you guys liked that review on this compressor. Gobege, thank you for sending it out for me to test. And yeah, just to try it out for off-roading, you know. So you guys are interested, I'll put all the link information in the description below. So all right, so I hope you enjoyed that product review, and I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. Oh yeah, watch out for our YouTube or Utah adventure that's coming up, because we're pretty much done with that. It's pretty epic. All right, take care. Bye.